Namaste bachcho. Today we have to discuss the next topic, that is intramural and extramural activity. Intramural and extramural activity. Now first we have to discuss intramural activity. What is intramural activities? The intramural word is derived from the Latin word, that is intra, I-N-T-R-A, intra plus mural, M-U-R-A-L, mural. Intra means inside and mural means wall. Wall means intramural means the activity which we are organized inside the wall of an institution, that is known as intramural activities. मीन्स वैसा एक्टिविटी जो कि हम किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन के दीवार के अंदर एक्टिविटीज को ऑर्गेनाइज कराते हैं, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं इंट्रामुरल एक्टिविटीज. जैसे एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, हम स्कूल में स्पोर्ट्स डे प्रोग्राम कराते हैं, वो इंट्रामुरल एक्टिविटीज के अंडर आता है. स्कूल में हम इंटर हाउस क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट कराते हैं, इंटर हाउस फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट कराते हैं, ये सब क्या है, इंट्रामुरल एक्टिविटी के अंडर आता है. तो हम इसी को बोलते हैं इंट्रामुरल एक्टिविटीज. अब हम कुछ पॉइंट्स है जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है, वो है इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ इंट्रामुरल. इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ इंट्रामुरल, इंट्रामुरल का इंपॉर्टेंस क्या क्या है. तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि इसका पहला इंपॉर्टेंस है कि दे प्रोवाइड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एवरी स्टूडेंट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स. यस, इंट्रामुरल एक्टिविटीज provide the maximum opportunity to every student that take part in games and sports, because in intramural activity only the participants are from that school only. तो जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स होते हैं वो उसी स्कूल के होते हैं जिस स्कूल में वो एक्टिविटी ऑर्गेनाइज होता है, इसलिए ये ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड करता है सारे स्टूडेंट को उस गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टू डेवलप कॉपरेशन. यस, in the field of sport, games and sports, we can't, yes, in the field of sports we can't think for winner without cooperation of the team members. So in the field of, we cannot win by the cooperation of team members. Now the next is to provide recreation. Yes, intramural activities also provide the recreation of those students who are not participate in any activities, or it also provide the recreation of those students who are participating. So it provide it provide recreation for all the students. Now the fourth is the most important. It is significant of physical, mental, emotional and social development of student. Yes, it is important for developing of their health, the developing of their physical ability, developing of their mental ability and developing of their emotional and social abilities. So this intramural activity is also help to develop their physical abilities, mental abilities, emotional abilities and social abilities of the students. Now the next is extramural. Extramural is also derived from the Latin word extra plus mural. Extra means outside and mural means wall. एक्स्ट्रामुरल जो है इसके इंट्रामुरल के जस्ट अपोजिट है. मीन्स the activity which we are perform or organized, the participants are from in that school as well as the outside schools also. मतलब है कि जो भी एक्टिविटी हम ऑर्गेनाइज करा रहे हैं उसमें जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स होंगे, द पार्टिसिपेंट्स आर from that school and as well as the outside ऑफ द स्कूल्स ऑल्सो, मीन्स वो उस स्कूल्स के भी और दूसरे स्कूल्स के भी बच्चे आकर के पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं एक्स्ट्रामुरल एक्टिविटीज। तो हम इंट्रामुरल एक्टिविटीज समझ लिए और एक्स्ट्रामुरल एक्टिविटीज समझ लिए। इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ इंट्रामुरल्स के बारे में हम अभी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं और अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ एक्स्ट्रामुरल। क्योंकि इंट्रामुरल का कुछ इंपॉर्टेंस है तो एक्स्ट्रामुरल्स का भी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंस है। तो फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंस इज दैट कि enhance the standard of sports. Intramural activity help to enhance the standard of sports because in extramural activities many players learn the new technique and develop their skills in extramural activity. So in this way the extramural activity enhance the standard of sports. Now the second point is to provide knowledge of new rules and advanced technique. Yes, extramural activity is also provide the knowledge of new rules and advanced techniques. Now I tell you how it provide the knowledge of new rules and advanced technique. In extramural activity there are many advanced player to take part in that activity, and in that that advanced player perform their skills during the matches, and in this way the many players seen that their techniques and they try to learn that techniques. And also there are many officials, expert officials comes to conduct that matches, and that officials give the information or knowledge about the new rules of that games. Now the third point is to develop the sportsmanship. To develop the sportsmanship, yes, the only games and sports help games and sports learn to. Now the third point is to develop the sportsmanship. Games and sports makes us discipline. It give us how to behave with other or opponent players. It also provide the feeling of cooperation. In this way we have to develop our sportsmanship. Now the fourth is to develop unity among the student. Yes, in extramural activity there are many player comes from different places and they all play together, and in this way they develop the unity among the student or a player. So this is all about the importance of extramural activities. So in this video we have to discussed intramural activity and extramural activity, important of intramurals and important of extramural activities. In next video we will discuss the specific sports program like sports day, specific run for specific cause, run for unity, these all. So thank you, नमस्ते बच्चों।